Okay, last assignment for this week. It's not a hard assignment. You have four categories. You have units of area, units of volume, units of capacity, units of weight. Okay. You do it just like you did the linear measurements. It's actually not too hard. I have them written down: area, volume, capacity, weight on this paper, so I don't have to keep scrolling up. They're in the same order of what they are up there. Now, I need to tell you why it is what it is, because 1 square foot equals 144 square inches. Here's why. You don't have to write this down, but now on the last couple assignments, it was always 1 foot equals 12 inches. Now, the reason why 1 square foot is 144 square inches, because now the feet and the inches are squared, but then the numbers, the values become squared too. 1 to the second means 1 times 1. That's 1, so 1 foot squared. Then 12 to the second is 144 square inches. That's why that works. Okay, now cubic feet. 1 cubic feet is 1,728 cubic inches. That's because, again, for linear measurement, it's 1 foot equals 12 inches. Now, volume means you cube it, okay? Volume, length times width times height, but then you cube the numbers. Well, 1 to any power is still 1. And then 12 to the third means 12 times 12 times 12, which is 1,728 cubic inches. Okay, but they give you what they are right off the bat. You don't have to convert them that way. Okay, so we're expressing each area as indicated. We're going to use dimensional analysis. So example 1, we need to write 196 square inches as square feet. Okay, so you put the 196 square inches over 1, and then you're going to multiply. Don't write in equals. And you want to get this out of square inches and into square feet. So you look up the square feet, square inches, okay? 1 square foot is 144 square inches, so 1 goes with square feet, 144 goes with the square inches. Those cancel. 196 times 1 is 196. 1 times 144 is 144. And then 196 divided by 144, 1.36. So it's 1.36 square feet. Okay, example 2. Got to write 45.8 square feet as square yards. So again, the 45.8 square feet, this gets pretty repetitive, okay? And then square feet goes down here, so I'll be able to cross, because I want the square feet to be gone and I want the square yards to be left over. So square yards, square feet. Okay, 1 square yard is 9 square feet. So 1, 9. So 45.8 times 1 is 45.8 square yards. Then 1 times 9 is 9. So I divide 45.8 by 9. 5.09, just round to the second decimal place, so 5.09 square yards. They don't really care that much about the rounding here. Example 3, 1,600 acres as square miles. So again, we take 1,600 acres, put that over 1, and then we want to get rid of the acres. And I want it in square miles. So I look up the square miles acres rate. Okay, 1 square mile is 640 acres. So 1 to 640. Make sure you put the numbers with the appropriate label. So it's going to be 1,600 over 640. So 1,600 divided by 640 is 2.5. So 2.5 square miles. Okay, example 4. We've got 120,000 square feet as acres. So 120,000 square feet over 1. Square feet, we want to get rid of that dimension and convert it to acres. So square feet and acres, okay. I think I put, yeah, there it is. 1 acre is 43,560 square feet. So the square feet get deleted, and we have 120,000, 43,560. Okay, 2.75 acres. Really pretty repetitive process. There are times when it's multiplied across. Example 5. 871,000 square feet as square miles. This one's going to be a big number here. Or you're going to be dealing with a big number. The answer might not be big. And I want to get it out of square feet, and I want it in square miles. So square feet, square miles. Well, 1 square mile is 27,878,400 square feet. Okay, those get deleted, and then we end up with 871,000 over 278,278,787,840. Okay, 0.03. Okay, example 5, or example 6. This one's a little bit different. 2.35 square feet as square inches. So we have 2 square feet over 1. And square feet, 1 in square inches. Square feet, square inches, 1 square foot, 144. So you got to put the 1 with the square feet, 144 with the square inches. So those cancel. 2 times 144 is 288 over 1, so it's going to be 288. Or no, that was 2.35, my bad. 2.35 times 144, 338.4. So 338.4 square inches. Okay, example 7. 4.30 square yards as square feet. Okay, so square yards goes down here, and then we want to get to square feet. So 1 square yard is 9 square feet. So 4.30 times 9. 38.7 divided by 1, still 38.7 square feet. Okay, example 8. Now we're going to volume, so we're on this second group of numbers. 4,320 cubic feet as cubic inches. So 4,320 cubic feet over 1. Cubic feet, we want cubic inches. Now it's 1 cubic foot to 1,728 cubic inches. So those get canceled. Then I take 4,000. It's going to be a pretty big answer. 4,320 times 1,728. So 7464960. Then there'd just be a 1 on the bottom. So this would be my answer right there. Okay, example 9, 117 cubic feet as cubic yards. Cubic feet, cubic yards. Okay, 1 cubic yard is 27 cubic feet. So we're going to have 117 divided by 27. Okay, 4.33 cubic yards. Yeah, you can rip through these actually pretty fast when you know what you're doing. 2,900 cubic inches to cubic feet. So 2,900 cubic inches over 1 cubic inches cubic feet. Okay, cubic inches, 1,728 cubic inches to 1 cubic foot. Remember to put the numbers in the right place. And that gives us 2,900 over 1,728. 1.68 cubic feet. Okay, example 11. 73 cubic feet to cubic yards. Okay, 73 cubic feet over 1 cubic feet, cubic yards. Okay, so 1 cubic yard, 27 cubic feet. So it's 73 divided by 27. 2.7 cubic yards. Okay, now we're units of capacity. Capacity is when you like fill up a water jug. It can be measured in pints, quarts, gallons, cubic inches, things like that. Okay, so example 12. 6.52 pints to quarts. 6.52 pints over 1, and we want pints, quarts. Okay, now you're to capacity. Okay, pints and 2 pints equals 1 quart. So 2 with pints, 1 with quarts, and we end up with 6.52 over 2. 3.26 quarts. Okay, example 13. 9.25 gallons, 2 quarts. So we got 9.25 gallons over 1. Then gallons, quarts. Okay, 4 quarts is 1 gallon. So really, it's just 9.25 times 4. 37 quarts. Okay, example 14. 35 quarts, 2 gallons. So 35 quarts over 1. Quarts and gallons. And from the last one, we know there's 4 quarts to 1 gallon. So it ends up being 35 divided by 4, which is 8.75. Just simple dimensional analysis is all you have. And you don't have to do any mixed measurements. Those don't appear on this assignment. Okay, 3.07 gallons to cubic inches. Okay, cubic inches and gallons. Okay, 1 gallon is 231 cubic inches. I think that's right. Let's see if I'm missing a decimal. Yep, it's right. Okay. Okay, 3.07 times 231, 709.17. That would be my answer because there would just be 1s on the bottom. Okay, example 16. 46 cubic inches to gallons. Times, remember, it's not dimensional analysis is not cross multiply and divide. that you'll see on the next assignment why you want to do a dimensional analysis. Okay. Cubic inches, gallons, and we know from the last problem there's 231 cubic inches to 1 gallon. Make sure you put the numbers in the right place though. So you end up with 46 divided by 231. So we divide 46 by 231, 0.20. Okay, example 17. 67 ounces to quarts. So 67 ounces over 1. And I want to get it out of ounces and into quarts. So what do I have for quarts and ounces? 32 ounces is 1 quart. So 32, 1. So it's 67 divided by 32. 2.09 quarts. Okay, example 18. 1.6 quarts, 2 ounces. So now you're going the other way. 1.6 quarts over 1 quarts, ounces. This last problem, but we put the 32 on top because that goes with ounces, 1 on bottom. So it's 1.6 times 32. Okay, 51.2 ounces. Okay, example 19. Express each unit of weight. These are weights, okay, right there. Different lists now. 36, 35 ounces to pounds. 35 ounces over 1 ounces, pounds. 16 ounces to 1 pound, so 16, 1. So it's 35 divided by 16. Gives me 2.19 pounds. Okay, example 20. 2.4 long tons to pounds. So 2.4, just put LT over 1. And we want it to pounds. So there's 2,240 pounds to 1 long ton. So 2,240 to 1. So for the pounds, we just need to multiply. 2.4 times 2240, 5,376. Okay, example 21. I got way too many examples here. Pounds to short tons. Okay, so 5,300 pounds over 1, and then pounds, and we need it to short tons. So there is 2,000 pounds to 1 short ton. So we have 5,300 over 2,000. It's 2 point something. 2.65 short tons. Okay, example 22. 43.5 ounces to pounds. So 43.5 ounces over 1. So there's 16 ounces to 1 pound. So I end up with 43.5 over 16. Okay, 2.72 pounds. And then last but not least, well, maybe it's least, I don't know, 0.12 short tons to pounds. So put 0.12 short tons over 1. We want to get out of the short tons so that those labels can cross out and get it into pounds. Okay, short tons of pounds is 2,000 pounds to 1 short ton. So we take 0.12 times 2,000, 240 pounds. Okay.